What's going on and what's popping, everybody? This is Daniel Patrick and the CEO of GameForex Academy. I am pretty sure you guys are glad and happy and excited um, watching the previous video. So in this video of our chapter 1 course, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to get our brokers, which is MetaTrader 5, TradingView, CoinEx, and also how to get Trade Locker, log into these platforms and be able to sign up correctly. Okay, so this video is just to explain how to download the MetaTrader 5 platform, how to sign up with it, and how you can be able to I will navigate also through the necessary options that we have, how to set up your quote pairs, your assets list, set up take trades on the platform, adjust your leverage, set buy limits and sell limit orders, set up your SL and take profit orders, how to make analysis on the chart as well. And lastly, this video I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to also how you can be able to take trades and be able to do quite a lot of things on MetaTrader 5 platform, and also how you can be able to link your CoinEx account into MetaTrader 5. So let's get started with what we have. So first things first, you need to open the Apple Store, and then you're going to type in MetaTrader 5, as you can see right there, MetaTrader 5. Once you click it, it pops this up for you. You see the platform right here, MetaTrader 5. This is the platform you're going to need to download. So once you download it, it starts downloading, and once it's done downloading, you will need to open the platform to be able to see what it contains. So you click open. This is the first thing you get hit with. It is to accept notification. You click allow. You have to accept the rules and regulations and everything that governs the account. So to get started with this account, we're going to open a demo account where I'm going to show you how the quotes list work, how charts work, how to take trades, what history is all about, and also how you can be able to log into your CoinEx platform from your settings section. So first thing, you click open a demo account. This demo account is not real, it's virtual, meaning that you can be able to practice with it. That's the essence of the meaning demo account. It is virtual money where you can be able to practice with, meaning that if you have this amount of money on your demo account, is the same equivalent to the amount you have on your real account. One I tell people is this: never select an amount of money that you're not willing to practice with for real. Okay, so first things first, you need to put in your name, your first name. Then you need to put in your last name. Whatever your last name is, you need to put it all in. Once you do that, you put in your date of birth. Once you do that, you're going to put in your phone number. Now, to be able to be a trader and a professional trader, you need to be at least 18 years of age. Okay, you must be at least 18 years old to be able to have a MetaTrader account. That the reason is based on rules and regulation, you must be 18 years to be able to at least participate and have a trading account. All right, so you're going to put in this space your phone number. Remember, you are going to have to work with your country zip code. So whatever phone number you want to put in, make sure your country zip code is part of it. If you just put the number down, it doesn't understand it. So you put in your country zip code, and then you put your number following. Once you're done with that, the next is your email address, which you are going to be needing to put in. Put in your email. Now, at this section right here, remember I'm going to blow out, forgot to tell you guys, I'm going to have to blow out my phone number and also my email address, just so you guys don't see it. Now in this space right here, as you can see, this is where you can be able to select the amount you want to deposit or get started with on your demo account, leverage you want to use, so on and so forth. Now when you are opening you're linking your CoinEx into your MetaTrader 5 account, it's going to look like something like this as well. So first things first, you're going to have to select the amount you are willing to get started with for practicing. Now I urge you guys to always select an amount of money that you are willing to either invest in. So if it is $5,000 that you want to get started with on a real account, practice it with a demo and a virtual account first, how the lot size, the risk and everything is going to look like. If you are going to start with a, let's say, $5,000 prop firm or a $10,000 prop firm, this select that specific demo account size so as to ensure that you are going to practice effectively with that. So we're going to select an amount, any amount at all. Let's just say 50K. We'll get started with 50K. You select your leverage. As you can see, you can select a 1:100, 1:500, so on and so forth leverage. So you select your leverage, you put in your number, your email address, your details, your date of birth, and once that's settled, you click accept and you click register, meaning that you are ready for this account and information to be launched. So you click start. So once you click start, automatically it takes you here straight to the quote section. So the quote section here is where you can be able to this is where you can be able to select any kinds of assets you want to trade on. So for me, I don't trade on all of these pairs. I trade on pairs that has the US dollar in them because they are the most volatile and they are the most effective pairs to trade on. So first things first, you click on the personal icon. Here you can be able to delete all of these pairs and the ones you want, the ones you do not want. So once you click delete, you click the search button to look out for the pairs you want to be trading on. So as for me, I like trading on pairs that has the United States dollar in them. So I'm going to look out for the currencies which are number one, USD CAD, USD CHF. These are high volatile pairs. I'm going to look for USD JPY, as you can see. I'm going to also look out for Euro USD, AUD USD, Euro USD, JP USD as well. So these are the pairs that moves volatile and moves the most. These are major currency pairs. So moving on. Once you select that, you also select the metal you like to trade on. For me, I like trading on gold and also the dollar, the silver. But in order to not put in the silver and everything, we're just gonna use the icon for gold, which is XAU USD. So once they settle, the next thing you need to do is to come back to your quotes. As you can see, all of those pairs have been added: XAU USD, GBP USD, and so on and so forth. Now to get started with selecting any of these currencies. So let's say you have funded your account now, you want to trade. I've set a signal on gold to buy gold right now. So first thing you need to do is to click the gold icon, the gold asset, and then you have different options here. But the most important ones are either your charts or your trade. If you click trade, it means you are ready to enter into this trade this minute. If you click chart, it means you are willing to analyze the market to be able to know properly what price is doing before you can make your decisions from there. Delete means you do not want to see the pair anymore. You go with charts. So right now it switches you over to charts. So in this place, you are going to have to see the different it's supposed to show me the different chart pattern, but because today is Friday and the market is currently closed, that's the reason why it's not revealing it to me yet. But it's supposed to show you the list of different currencies. Sorry, it's going to show you the list. It's going to show you the charts of the currency which you want to make analysis on. So as you can see right here, it is back. This right here shows, this is candle charts, as we have learned earlier already. This is the charts right here. His price is giving us what we call an inverse head and shoulder, indicating solid buy signals on gold. So on this page, we have by the left side, you see the M30 right there. That means the 30 minutes time frame. You can adjust your time frame from 30 minutes to 1 hour to 4 hours to daily, weekly, and so on and so forth, as you can see right here. So the higher you go, the more smaller the higher you go in time frame, the smaller the charts becomes, because you guys have already learned on time frames already. I do not have to go into that part or when it comes to time frame analysis. So this is where you can be able to change your time frame from. Now when you want to take a trade, MetaTrader 5 gives us the opportunity to be able to take one MetaTrader 5 gives us the opportunity to be able to take trades on a single click. So first things first, you see the red and the yellow icons at the right side of your screen. If you click the one at the end, it shows this up. So with these numbers that you see that display sell and buy, each of them you click gives you execute a trade for you. They call it a one-time click, where you click once and it automatically executes a trade for you in the market. So the middle is where you can be able to change your lot size from 0.01 micro lot to 1 standard lot or 100 standard lot, as the case may be. So moving on, if you want to take a trade after your analysis has been made and you click sell, it's going to show you this. You click accept. Okay, it's a one-click trading. If you click sell and the market, let's say, is open, for instance, currently the market is closed. So, but when the market opens, it automatically executes a sell trade for you as of right here. If you click buy, the same thing as well. So practice this. So this is where you can be able to make analysis on and also be able to take quality trades on. Then the next one is the trade section. Now this section shows you the amount you have, your equity, your balance, and your free margin left to be able to risk on in the market. It also portrays and shows you where you will be seeing your profit margin made on. You'll be seeing your profits made on your account. So this right here shows my balance, my equity, my free margin, so on and so forth for this account size. Currently the market is closed. That's the reason why I cannot be able to press the sell button, as you can see, and it's gonna show. So but this is where you do that. Then we have history as well. History, your history simply tells you these are the trades you have taken so far. These are the ones you have as winning. These are the ones you have as losing. It doesn't really do deep down analysis, but it just tells you this is the trades you have taken so far. This is a profit and this is the loss you made so far. Okay, that is your history for you. How much you invested and how much you have. How much you invested and how much you have as of right now, depending on either the profit or the drawdown you occur. So moving on, you can also be able to look out for the intervals to know how far you have come as a trader or your trading decisions and so on and so forth. So you can select 3 months, you can select 6 months, you can select the whole of last year, even customized. All right, now moving on to the next thing. We have the settings right here. So at this point, we're going to be showing you how you can be able to log into MetaTrader 5 broker. How you can be able to log into your CoinEx account in your MetaTrader 5 platform. So first things first, you go to your settings. As you can see, you click in this, it takes you automatically to this point where you can be able to access your account. You click the plus sign above, then you're going to search for CoinEx, which is a platform you use. Also search for the platform CoinEx, you click it, it displays pretty much similar things to the way the MetaTrader 5 demo account did display to me. So you put in your login information, which is your trading ID on your MetaTrader 5 after you've created your CoinEx account. So you put that information in, and then you're gonna put in the password which is necessary for your account to grow. RDB 9JKUOBPR. So you click sign in. So once you click sign in, by nature it's supposed to take you to the account that you want to get started with. Okay, so for now this one is showing me, but nevertheless, but once you have signed into the platforms like that, you don't start looking for who to hold. So this is how it is. Okay, so once you have signed into the CoinEx account, it is time for us to now link in your CoinEx broker with MetaTrader 5 broker. Now let's assume this is your CoinEx account. You have $50,000 in your CoinEx and you are ready to get started with taking more trades and be able to grow your CoinEx account into something really huge. So first things first is link in, which I just showed you right now. You put your login details, your information and everything in. Once it lands, you go over to your chart. Now You go over to your chart and then you make analysis. And after you're done making analysis, you then execute on your MT5 platform. Okay, now next, I want to show you guys how you can be able to set up your buy limit and your sell limit orders as well. So to set buy limit orders, it's pretty simple. You click the red and the white icon, which is first before the other one, and you see it automatically, it sets it in for you. So once you set in the buy limit, you can be able to set in your stop loss order right here and set in your take profit orders right here, which is how much you are expecting to make from this comment and how much you're expected to make from this platform. As you can see, when you use the buy limit orders, it automatically shows you every single thing and explains it easily for you. So you set your buy limit orders at the price point where you want price to get to, trigger your orders, and then start going up. You always learn to reduce your risk per trade, and then you execute either a buy or a sell. So after you are done executing, you patiently wait for price to move, and then you'll be able to cross check your trades on the trades section right here. Okay guys, so I think this is all for how to get started with MetaTrader 5. I'll be seeing you guys in another video. Okay, peace out.